What lies hidden beneath the dust of a forgotten mill workshop? In a small town, a group of aspiring woodworkers discovers an abandoned space brimming with potential. As they start the restoration, tensions rise, unearthing tools and techniques long lost to time. The challenge is daunting, with rotting beams and crumbling tables, but their passion fuels an intense dedication. Each painstaking effort not only revives the workshop, but also ignites a profound bond among the artisans. As the last strokes of varnish are applied, they realize this journey has not just restored a building, but has crafted a new legacy for themselves and their craft. What masterpiece will emerge from their hard work?